Hi guys, today we are at the Holston house in Nashville, Tennessee, which is part of the Unbound collection by Hyatt. I want to give you a tour of our room really quick, which is a 2-queen bed room. We are Hyatt members. We get free daily water and a couple other amenities, so look into that if you haven't been. If you don't mind hitting the like button and subscribing to this channel, and leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think about this hotel room. First, I want to show you here, how cool are these hallways and these lights? I don't know, I just love them. So our room is down over here, which is 902, and I see here 901 and 902 actually can connect, I guess if you have a party with multiple people. So let's take a look inside. Here we have some cool artwork. Nashville country music themed, of course. And as I said, this is a 2-queen bedroom, which is a bit larger than a king room. And over here, these are free waters that they gave us for being Hyatt members. And you have your coffee and tea station, which is a Keurig, ice bucket. What else we got here? Oh, some nice room service order for breakfast. Flat screen TV, and then below you have 2 drawers over here, and then on this side you do have a shelf with a pull-out safe. And moving on, over here is your mini fridge, which is not stocked with anything, but at least if you get your waters or some drinks, can keep your beverages cold. Here, these are the 2-queen bedrooms, which is standard, or you can get a king room, which is another type of standard room. Desk area with a light. And over here you have kind of the luggage closet situation, which you do have an ironing board. Sorry, it's a little bit dark in here. An extra drawer and space for your luggage. And then to give you a little view of the charging, they do have some USB chargers, little radio, lighting controls, and then more USB chargers over here by the desk lamp. Now let me show you into the bathroom. So through here is the bathroom on one of these barn sliding doors. Toilet. I really like this. I haven't seen this really at a hotel before. Makeup towel, so you don't get their white towels dirty. That's nice. Body lotion, soap. What's in here? Let's check it out. What the heck is this? Ah, makeup remover wipes. Very nice. Glasses, makeup mirror, extra towels, hair dryer, of course, and then this nice shower, which in the shower you do have shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. Hope you guys enjoyed the tour of the room, and maybe it'll help you if you're doing an upcoming stay to Nashville. I know a lot of people who collect Hyatt points, maybe they're on the fence which hotel to stay in. So far we've liked it a lot, and I think the room is really nice, comfortable, and right down in city center. Thanks everyone, talk to you soon, bye.